Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this partner van in the professional specification. So this vehicle has 3 seats up front, and other features include rear parking sensors, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights, and the van has cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This van has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done less than 6,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.